In this video, I'm going to teach you how to draw the architectural features. So we're going to draw the window that's over here and the opening of the wall over here, because this is two spaces in this floor plan are being shown. So let's go ahead and start with the window. It's over here on this wall, and you can see it's 1, 2, 3, 4 feet in from the back corner, and it spans 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 feet. So I'm going to draw it along this wall, but what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to teach you how you could draw this if you didn't have the grid behind you, because even though grids are really awesome and make some thinking easier, they do take a lot of work, and we want to get to a point where we don't need them. If you don't have a grid, what you always need at least is the true height wall marked and drawn to scale and the fan of depth. As long as you've got that, you don't need the grid. So just to get started, we know that the window, or I'm going to tell you, the window is 4 feet off the ground. So if we use the true height wall, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So the bottom of the window is all along this line. And we know the window itself is 4 feet tall. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, as long as I've got a grid on my back wall, that's all I need to start to guide things. Okay, so now the window itself is 4 feet deep, or 4 feet off that back wall. So look, all I would have to do here is use my fan of depth. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go from my fan of depth point to my ground line. Carry that intersection point over, as long as my T-square is working right. Carry it over, and I'm going to just draw it really light, because I don't want to have to erase it. And look, where it intersects that sidewall is 4 feet deep. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you don't have this grid, but you've got the fan of depth, that's all you need. Okay, vertical line up. Again, here, because it's a 1-point perspective, we can use our T-square and our triangle. Okay, it's 10 feet deep, so same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 feet along our fan of depth. Line from the fan of depth. Carry it over. Da, 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 da. There it is. Okay, and we can confirm on our floor plan where it intersected is 4 feet. And look, that was the end of my line right there. Now, the grid is helpful. We made it, so let's use it. But it's helpful. It's not necessary. Okay, so the 4 points of our window are right there. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to draw this wall with this opening here. Now, this wall, the length, you can see it starts 3 feet off from the back corner of that buffet. So that's an easy one. And you can see it comes down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes long. The opening itself is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes. And then we'll have 6 boxes of wall on this side. But notice, it's only 6 inches thick, this wall. See, it doesn't extend the full thickness. So we're going to have to split some boxes here on the back wall. Let's go ahead and start by plotting this point. And it's going to be right here. See? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So, using our vanishing point, you can see that wall is going to come right along that line. Now you can see when I stuck my grid on here, my paper, I got it just a little bit off. So I'm going to make sure I get that line a little bit tighter. Okay, now it's a half a box wide, right? Only 6 inches. So this edge of my wall right here comes along this line. So we'll go here through the vanishing point. Okay. Bring our line up. Okay, now let's go ahead and count 6 boxes to figure out where this line happens and the opening begins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the opening. Okay. And then it's going to close off right here. So all I'm going to do now is ink in those architectural features in yellow. And then we will move on.